on. Okay, sorry about the inconvenience. Anyways, today we're going to be playing Battle... Anyways, today we're going to be playing this. Battle Cats. Let's go. You cannot beat me. Hee 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 eat, he eat, he eat, he eat, So gonna get the X cat, yeah. Got the X cat. Let's go, go, yo. More X cats. Yeah. More X cat. We got ourselves some X cat. We got ourselves some more X cat. Bye bye tower. Yeah, bye. You shall die. We shall die. Axes for the victory. Cool. Stamps. XP. 28 more. What? Nico is Japanese for cat. Everything is learning. Cool. I guess. Oh no, the Philippines are gonna die now. Nice tower, Philippines. Time to kill these cats. Get more cats, boo. Yeah, they're kind of pushing forward, actually. It's best that we upgrade. today. Unless they kill us, we will get some new knees. Unless if you beat us down, but we will beat you too. Yeah, yeah. We have the Axe Cat. We have the Axe Cat. Cat. Axe Cat for the win. Axe Cat for the win. Yeah. Cannot beat us. You shall not beat us. Yeah. I don't need to use the cannon. I think we're good now. Uh-oh, the Axe Cats. No! No! Oh, no! More Axe Cats. More Axe Cats. No! Axe Cats again. They're pushing forward a bit. It's not so good. We need more Axe Cats. We're gonna beat them up again. Oh! Yeah! Keep going. You keep beating them up. Beating them up. Beating them up. Yeah! Keep going. Yeah! Yeah, we're back on track. Back on track. I thought I might have to use... Yeah, we did it. Yeah. Waiting to be upgraded. Upgrade. Let's go. Oh! I still think that Axe Cat is still good. So I'm just gonna upgrade this one once. Actually, I have enough to do it like 3 times. Ghost Cat, I think it's gonna be pretty good. How much does this thing would cost?
My love.
Exactly.
Morning.
Anyways, today we defeated Thailand. No, we defeated Cambodia and Philippines. Philippines. Huzzah! I'm going to need to get some more energy, so see you guys in a bit. Bye, everyone. Hope you had a great time. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification. Oh, what's this? Anyways, bye, everyone.
Oh my God.
Just bye. If you had a great time, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Bye.